Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to enable cookies on iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Safari. Once you do that, on the next page, scroll all the way down and go to Privacy and Security menu. You'll be able to see Block All Cookies option. When this slider is slid to the right and turned green, then all the cookies will be blocked. Remember that blocking all the cookies may actually prevent you from using a lot of websites normally, so make sure to toggle it off. The other settings you want to pay attention to is the Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Make sure that this button is enabled. This will now allow cookies from the website you specifically visit, but can help prevent things like embedded buttons from sharing your online activities to advertisers. That way, you have configured your cookie settings. That is how you'll be able to enable your cookies on iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.